Hello, my dear students. In this video, I'm going to explain about production function. Let's dive into it.
Welcome to this video on the production function. We will explore the core concepts, underlying laws, and key managerial applications of this fundamental topic in business economics. What is a production function? It's the technical relationship between physical inputs, like factors of production, and physical output per unit of time. It is vital for operations management, guiding informed decisions on resource allocation and capacity planning. The basic production function equation is Q equals F of L K N T. Q represents total production, or output. The inputs, or factors, are L for labor, K for capital, N for natural resources, and T for technology. Production can be broken down into three stages. First, inputs, which are the factors of production. Second, transformation, the technical process converting inputs to outputs. Third, the output, which are the finished goods and services produced. There are different types of production functions. The linear production function shows output increasing proportionally with inputs. The Cobb-Douglas function, widely used in economics, shows diminishing returns. The lenity function requires fixed proportions of inputs with no substitution possible. The short run is when at least one input, usually capital, is fixed, limiting production decisions by capacity. The long run is when all inputs are variable, allowing managers to adjust capital investments and scale production significantly. Key concepts in production analysis include total product, the total output produced with given inputs. Average product is the output per unit of input. Marginal product is the additional output from one more unit of input. The law of diminishing returns operates in three stages. Stage 1 is increasing returns. Stage 2 is diminishing returns, where marginal product declines but remains positive. Stage 3 is negative returns, where additional input reduces total output. The relationship between production and costs is critical. Total cost is the sum of fixed and variable costs. Average cost is total cost divided by quantity produced. Marginal cost is the cost of producing one additional unit. Managerial applications include finding the optimal resource mix to minimize costs. Capacity planning uses long-run functions to guide expansion. Productivity analysis identifies inefficiencies. Cost minimization finds the lowest cost production methods. In conclusion, understanding production functions is essential for effective business management and decision-making. It enables leaders to allocate resources efficiently, improve productivity, and make informed strategic choices for modern organizations.